Best Smart Home Routines Under $100, Complete Automation Guide. Best Smart Home Routines Under $100. Complete Automation Guide. Getting started with smart home automation doesn't require spending thousands of dollars or filling your house with complicated gadgets. In fact, some of the most satisfying and practical smart home routines can be built for under $100, and many of them cost significantly less. The key is understanding which devices work together, how to set up routines that actually improve your daily life, and where to focus your initial investment for maximum impact. A smart home routine is essentially a series of automated actions triggered by a single command or condition. For example, you might say, "Alexa, I'm leaving," and have your smart lights turn off, your smart thermostat adjust to away mode, and your door lock secure itself all at once. These routines save time, reduce energy waste, and make your home feel more responsive to your needs. The beautiful part is that you can start building these routines with just one or two affordable devices and expand from there as your comfort level grows. The foundation of most smart home automation tips begins with a smart speaker or display. These devices act as the hub that controls everything else in your ecosystem. Budget-friendly smart speakers from major manufacturers typically cost between $30 and $50, and they're powerful enough to handle multiple connected devices and complex routines. A smart speaker gives you voice control, lets you set up automations through an app, and often includes a built-in voice assistant that's constantly improving. This is genuinely the best starting point for anyone new to home automation because it handles all the orchestration without requiring technical expertise. Once you have a smart speaker in place, smart light bulbs or smart plugs become your next logical addition. Smart light bulbs that work with your speaker usually cost between $10 and $20 per bulb, while smart plugs are often even cheaper at $5 to $15 each. The advantage of smart plugs is that they work with any device you plug into them, so you can make a regular lamp smart, control your coffee maker, or automate a fan without replacing anything. Many people find that smart plugs offer better value initially because you get more flexibility with your existing devices. You can create routines where lights gradually brighten to wake you up, turn off automatically when you leave a room, or change color based on the time of day. Smart thermostats represent another excellent investment if you're serious about automation and energy savings. While some premium models cost over $300, you can find solid smart thermostats in the $80 to $100 range that integrate beautifully with your smart speaker and let you adjust temperature from anywhere. The real value here is that you can create routines that lower your heating or cooling when you leave home and automatically adjust it back before you arrive. Over the course of a year, these automated adjustments can significantly reduce your energy bills, making the device pay for itself. Building your first automation routine is simpler than you might think. Start with something basic that solves a real problem in your life. Maybe you always forget to turn off lights when you leave, or you'd love to have your bedroom lights gradually brighten as you wake up. Most smart home apps let you set up routines through a simple interface where you choose a trigger, like a voice command or a specific time of day, and then select which devices should respond and how. The key is to begin with one or two routines that genuinely make your life easier, then gradually add more as you get comfortable with the system. Free smart home automation comes primarily through the routines and automations built into your smart speakers app. You're not paying extra for the ability to create complex automations once you own the devices. Many people overlook this incredible value because they assume advanced automation requires expensive hubs or professional installation. In reality, the free automation features in modern smart home systems are remarkably powerful. You can set up location-based routines that trigger when you leave home, time-based routines that run at specific times each day, and sensor-based routines that respond to motion, temperature, or other conditions. When you're shopping for your smart home components, compatibility is absolutely critical. Make sure any devices you're considering work with the same ecosystem as your smart speaker. The three major ecosystems are Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, and most affordable devices work with at least one of these. Before you buy anything, decide which ecosystem makes the most sense for you based on what devices you already own or prefer. This decision will guide all your future purchases and ensure that everything works together seamlessly. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options and want to see curated collections of the best budget smart home devices organized by category and price point, you can find excellent recommendations at smarthomeunder.com. They specialize in helping people find quality smart home products that don't break the bank. And their guides take the guesswork out of which devices actually work well together. The most important thing to remember is that smart home automation should enhance your life, not complicate it. Start small, choose routines that solve real problems, and expand gradually. You'll be amazed at how much more convenient and efficient your home can become with just $100 worth of smart devices and some thoughtful routine setup. So here's my challenge for you. Think about one annoying task you do every day that could be automated. Whether that's turning off lights, adjusting temperature, or locking doors. What would be the simplest automation to solve that problem? And which device would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments below. And let's talk about how to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.